Hey, what's up everyone? Adhikari here. Today we have got something exciting to test out. We are going to explore the Alfa W113 adapter and see if it supports monitor mode or not. So let's dive right into it. Alright, let's start by physically connecting the Alfa W113 adapter to our USB port. As soon as you plug it in, you might see a message asking where you would like to connect. Click on connect to a virtual machine and select your machine. If you have already connected to the adapter, you can activate through VM, then removable device, and then find your adapter. There should be an option to connect or disconnect from host. Go ahead and click there. Okay, now let's head over the terminal. I will just adjust the font size for better visibility. Once we're there, let's list out all the USB devices to make sure our adapter is detected. Perfect, there it is. Now let's switch to the root terminal by using the command sudo su. We are successfully in the root terminal now. Type iwconfig to display our wireless interfaces. You will see LO, ETH and WLAN0. LO for the loopback interface, ETH for the Ethernet and WLAN0 for wireless LAN. The default mode of WLAN is managed. We need to switch it to monitor mode. First, check the status of wireless network interface by using earmon-ng check LAN0. This command is handy for Wi-Fi penetration testing, helping us monitor and manage wireless networks. Here we can see two services are running, Network Manager and WPS Supplicant. We will need to stop these services. Let's start by stopping the Network Manager by using Service Network Manager and stop. Once that's done, we are unable to connect to the internet as Network Manager is no longer running. Now stop the other process by typing earmon-ng check kill. Checking the status again, earmon-ng check status, we can see that both services have been stopped. Now run iwconfig. Here we are not in monitor mode yet. To switch to the monitor mode, type iwconfig LAN0 mode monitor. Let's see if it worked. Use iwconfig and bingo! It shows that we have successfully switched to the monitor mode. Now let's see if your Alfa W113 adapter is working in monitor mode. Run erodom-ng WLAN0 and there it is. It's working flawlessly. So we have conducted that the Wi-Fi adapter Alfa W113 is working seamlessly on a Linux machine. So if you encounter any issue or have questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in. It's me, Adhikari, signing off. Thank you.